Hello guys, let me show you in this video how to set up the MailerCloud app into your sub account. So let's get started. At the level of marketplace, once you search the app, you go at the install, allow and install. You provide the API key here, then you continue, and you have success. Very simple. The app is already installed. Now you can go to the custom page to check the app. But before, we advise you to refresh the page. Then refreshing, we can scroll down and search for the app. There you go. We have MailerCloud. Click on it, and you have the interface. Here, you're gonna access the written documentation, and it's gonna go over the different steps to follow in order to set up the app. Here, you're gonna have the smart queue showing you how to get the credentials. And of course, you're gonna access the tutorial here showing you how to set up the app. At the level of setup, you're gonna check the status of the app. That's pretty much it, guys. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. Our support team who is available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching.